Now, when I say
Oh.
ta, what
Oh.
did I pronounce?
Oh.
Ta.
Ta.
1 or 2?
Number two,
One.
ma'am. Number one.
Number
Number
one.
one.
Number
Both,
one.
both one.
Number one.
Both, both.
Number one.
Ta,
Both one,
ta,
both.
ta.
Yes. Number one, ma'am.
Number
One,
one.
two.
Number one.
The
When
first
I
one.
s- okay, when I say po, what did I pronounce?
The
Po.
first one.
One.
Number
Number
one.
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 Number one.
Number one.
One.
Number one. Okay, for those who can write on the board, I'm going to clean the board for you. Write the letter that I'm going to say. Are you ready? Write the
Yes.
letter that I'm going to say. Sa. Sa. Ay, wag letter S. Si Jinky, very good. Oh, Bangketesh writing fa, not sa. Teke, sino itong 1261? Okay, someone is writing like sin na parang sad pinagkunayb. Ito oh. Okay, what is that letter?
Sin.
Very good. MashaAllah. Except for this one. This is not sa. This is tha. Very good, very good. Another. Ready? Cheryl, you did the right job. Okay. Write the letter that I'm going to say. Wala pa. Tapos na, Miss Sarah. Thank you. Okay. Okay, ready? Write the letter that I'm going to say. Bo. Bo. Bo.
Ako makasulat. Makarite.
Pwede sa sa WhatsApp, isulat mo sa papel. Gusto mag-participate. Go. Send sa akin kaagad. Some of you writing to. I am telling you it's bo. Not ba or po or zo. What I'm trying to ask is write bo. Bo. Girls, boys, bo.
Dod.
Oh.
Dod pala.
Baka.
Dod.
Dad
Dod
pala.
pala.
Agay
Hindi
ka,
ka.
dad pala.
Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Do pala. Do.
Abu Dhabi. One more
Ba ma'am?
time. Not ba. One more time, ha. Bibilisan nyo. Okay. I can see Miss Jello. Okay, thank you. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Write the letter bo. Go. Bo. Bo. Ganun. Ganun dapat. Very good. MashaAllah. But I can see too few of you writing it. You can write it on the paper and show it to the camera. Okay, if you are writing bod right now, you are right. If you are writing bod, you're actually correct. Okay, mashallah, Allahumma barik lakum. Good job, everybody. Good job. Now, let's go back. Let's continue. Okay, patingin ako ka, Ma'am Ana Marie. Ilapit lang masyado. Lapit lang. Ayun, kita ko. Very good. Very good. Okay, for those who can use the pen, you can just write it on the paper and show it to me. Patingin, Ma'am Marites. Kita ko na. Ayun. Dad man, oy. Hindi man. Bod. Okay, thank you. You're right. Okay, alhamdulillah. Let's go to the next letter. Everyone, I'm not yet writing or asking you to write the to, but make sure that you remember this one. What is this letter?
To.
Don't put any S. Please do not put any S on it. It's just to. Do not put anything on it. It's just merely ta. Just letter T. To. Okay? Malinis. Clean letter T. Okay. Everyone, are you ready for the next letter?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to meet this letter. This is what we so-call za. Ay, mayroon na namang kaparehas ng tunog. Bakit man yan puro parehas ng tunog? Okay, this is... Litong-lito na sila. Paano man yan, ma'am? Okay, hindi kayo malilito. Huwag kayo mag-alala.
Umiikot na yung
I-memorize
utak,
nyo lang.
ma'am.
Paikot ng paikot dahil dinahan-dahan na gani yan. Okay, it's too slow. I hope you can understand it. I'm trying to make it so slow para dumikit. Okay? So you can memorize it. Now, as we end our lesson, you will be memorizing the letters just like this. This is letter ZO. ZO. ZO.
Mabigat ulit.
Mabigat ulit. ZO. ZO. Okay. The identical letter for that is
Sa.
za. Zai. They're both zo, vo, vo. Okay, what's the difference between these two? The first letter is merely z, 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 z. You will just make your tooth align z. You can make the letter z. But this one, you have to bite a little part of your teeth, your tongue, to make the sound of zo. Vo, vo. As you can see, okay, tingnan ang aking bibig. Okay. Wait lang. Para lumaki ang mukha ko. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay, okay. Wait for a while. Bakit ganito?
Makita, ma'am.
Wait lang. Okay. Now, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Opo. When you want to make the sound z, which is zay, you don't need to make any effort. Walang effort. Diretso.
Zai.
Z. But if you're going to pronounce the zo, you have to bite a little bit of your tongue and make a letter Z sound. Vo, 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 vo. Now, are you all ready? Okay, check this one.
Zai.
This is letter
Dal.
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 This is letter vo.
Ja.
Vo,
Ja.
vo,
Ja.
vo.
Ja.
Dal, za,
Zai.
vo. Okay. Sinong matapang na? Who among you here will be the strongest one to pronounce these three all together with differentiating these three? I will give you extra point. Okay, you don't need to open your mic yet. You don't need to open your mic yet. Try to practice first. And raise your hand if you are strong enough to prove that these letters are different from each other. Okay. Again, let me teach you how. The.
Zai.
Za. Wo. Wo. The za 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 wo. Raise your hand if you are powerful enough to say these letters. Okay, I can see some hand. Let me call Miss Naomi. Pakitaan mo po ako, Miss Naomi. Go.
Da, za, zo.
Again. Again.
Za. Da.
No. You're pronouncing the da. I want the.
Da, za,
Again.
zo. Da.
Oh, yeah.
Za, zo,
Okay, you pronounce this one as the.
za,
No. You have to pronounce it za. Za.
za,
Okay. What about this one?
zo, zo,
Zo. Okay.
zo,
So for the last part, read this one. The
da,
dal.
da,
Dal.
dal, dal,
Dal.
dal,
Mas
dal,
dominate. Ayun! Nahuli mo. Okay, one more time.
dal,
Yun. Oh, di ba napapractice? Sabi ko sa inyo.
da.
Okay.
Thank you.
The more you practice, the more you will do it, inshallah. Again, let me give you, recite it for you. The, za, va. Okay? Who wants to try? Let me call Vankatesh. Go.
za, wa.
Wa?
Za, da.
One more time about this one. The, you can do it, you can do the. Za, what about this one?
Za, za.
Okay, do it
Za.
slowly. 1, 2, 3, again.
Za.
They're both zo. You make it zo. The, wa. Za, va. Okay. We will practice more on va, Mr. Vankatesh. Okay? Thank you so much. Who wants to perfect it? Let me call Nafisat or Nafisat. Go.
Yes. Zo.
Again.
Zo.
No, the last letter sounds like wa. You do not do it wo. It's wa.
Za.
Okay, one more time.
Wa.
One more time, Miss Nafisat.
Za.
The,
Zo.
za,
Wa.
za.
Zo.
Okay, thank you so much. We will be working more on the va. Last person to try. Let me call Mary Hope. Hello, Miss Mary Hope. Let me hear you say it. Nasaan na si Mary Hope?
Salam, ma'am.
Hello po. Wa alaikumussalam wa rahmatullah. Let me hear you read these letters. Go.
Dal, za, do.
Okay, this one only.
Dal,
One more time.
dal,
More.
dal,
More.
dal,
Okay. Read it one more time. Go.
dal, za, do.
Ayun. Thank you so much, everyone. Now I can say that some of you can recite the letters properly. Thank you so much. We will be moving on the next letter, which is Ain. Allahu Akbar.